Resto-Rob. Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today I'm going to be working on my restoring my Bonney utility knife. So sit back, relax, and check out what I did with my Bonney utility knife. Here we have the Bonney 199 utility knife. Here in my copy of the Bonney catalog of 1951. I know they had them in other catalogs, but this is probably the best example I've got. Under their miscellaneous tools, belonged to Frank at one point. So let's start cleaning this thing up. Alright, let's give this a bath with some industrial soap. And some warm water.
Next, I'm going to use the wire wheel to clean up any more of the crud on the knife.
Here is our post wire wheel cleanup evaluation.
Now we're going to use the fiber wheel to kind of clean off some of the heavy scratch marks. And we're sanding with 400, 600, and 1000 grit sandpaper. I'm using my buffing wheel with the Flitz polish.
So I used 400, 600, and 1000 grit sandpaper with the WD-40, and I had the Flitz polish, and here we are. And here we go, folks. The completed Bonney 199 in apple red accent.
Here is a before.
And we're calling this project done. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this restoration, quick restoration of this Bonney 199 utility knife. Tell me what you think. So as always, please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust. And until next time, stay safe and we will check you later.